Financial immunity against cancer at zero insurance cost. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Money Master with NVI. Hope you all are fit and fine with your loved ones. In last video we saw health insurance and about its importance. Today we are going to see the deadly disease, that is cancer. Yes friend, you heard it rightly. My friend, cancer now becoming a most dangerous disease in India and in the whole world. But cancer is curable. Let's beat it together. Let's see cancer scenario in India. The current Indian population is around 1.38 billion. The incidence of cancer in India is 70 to 90 per 1 lakh population. Estimate number of people living with the new cancer patient registered every year is around over 7 lakh. Yes friends, 7 lakh. More than 70% of cases are in advanced stage. 5 lakh 50 cancer related deaths occurs each year. About 6% of all deaths in India are due to cancer. India is likely to have over 17.3 lakh new cases of cancer, over 8.8 lakhs deaths due to disease by 2021. Cancer of breast, lung, cervix and oral cancer will top of the list. 70% of all cancer are occurring in the age group of 30 to 69 years. For every 2 women diagnosed with breast cancer, 1 dies. Every 8 minutes, 1 woman dies of cervical cancer. Let us see the impact of cancer in India. The diagnosis of cancer causes immense emotional trauma. Treatment of cancer is a major economic burden. There is a loss of income and increase in expenses. It could affect both family daily functioning and economic situation. There is a lot of fear and misconception about the disease. Cancer treatment from private hospital is out of reach of millions. The middle class have to dip into their saving to pay for their treatment. 69% Indians have no financial arrangement to deal with cancer. Why this situation occurred? Because there is no backup of expenses. Cancer surgery costs in different cities depend upon location, infrastructure of hospital, room facilities, techniques and machine use. The common cancer test investigation costs, surgeon and other doctor fees, follow-up, visit, other costs like specific drugs are required. Average cost of ranges from 5 lakhs to 25 lakhs. Recurring travel cost to avail treatment and for follow-up. One may need to pay for lodging as to stay in a hospital or stay family and living expenses. Nursing facilities required at home, cost of diet, loss of wages of income, repayment of loan. Mental and emotional strength is very important to fight cancer, but financial strength is just as important. Financial cost of cancer goes beyond the treatment. Cancer can be detected, treated and cured at an early stage. So what is the solution and what should I do to take care of my financial safety? Here is a question. With Cancer Kavach policy, will never have to leave your family in financial crisis. There is a solution friends. Protect yourself from rising cost of cancer care. Join us in the fight against cancer. Fight against cancer. Friends, we are offering package with zero cost. And this protection you are not doing because it will happen to you, but by taking Cancer Kavach, you are supporting to the cancer patient. For God forbid anything happens to you, it will help you also and support in financial loss. We are offering this cover of protection of cancer with zero cost. So why are you waiting for? support in our mission to fight against cancer. Cancer is curable. Let's fight it together and support cancer patient. Your one decision can change others' life. So friends, kindly share this video to help other families to protect and fight against cancer. See you next time in next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy, and don't forget to share if you care. We will fight against cancer together. Thank you so much friends. See you next time. Bye bye.